Working Dogs for Conservation selects, trains, and deploys detection dog and handler teams for conservation work around the world. Indigenous Vision has been training our own Kiinii, with Suta calling last, IV Executive Director since last year. Kiinii, or the one that wears fabulous necklaces, is being trained weekly to be a conservation detection dog trained in zebra and quagga mussels, invasive mussels that have been colonizing our water, causing a reduction in food sources and destroying lake habitats. Together with Working Dogs for Conservation team members, Kiinii and Suta have been doing what are called blind tests. Every week, the team is out practicing the detection of invasive species. Today's location was at Fort Missoula, and as we can see, Kiinii and Suta are conducting a blind test around a tank.
And what's the issue with him just doing it himself?
If you're going to be in the Montana area this August, sign up for the Canine Classic at Paws Up. This is one of the best annual races you'll see all year to support Working Dogs for Conservation. It all goes down Sunday, August 25th, at the resort at Paws Up. Registration at the link in the description for this video. To learn more about Indigenous Vision, check out our website, indigenousvision.org, and follow us on Instagram at Indigenous Vision Media, and find us on Facebook, Indigenous Vision. Thank you for watching.